Hi everyone, this is a quick refresher on using keyframes for animations in Premiere. If you've already done this and maybe just need to remember exactly how to do it. So here I have a still image on my timeline here in Premiere, and I'm going to use my Effect Controls panel up in the top right hand at the moment. You can also find that from your window menu. And I'm going to go ahead and set the sort of beginning point that I want for my image. I'm going to adjust the scale. Right now I'm not using keyframes, I'm just changing the properties of this particular clip. And to be able to set so I'm going to set just wherever I want my starting point with both position and a little bit of scale adjustment here. And if I want to now have a keyframe animation, I have to add those keyframes to make that happen. So I'm going to go ahead and click the stopwatch by scale and position to make those keyframes, which now show up over here as little tiny diamonds. I'm then going to pick my ending point wherever I want that to be. In this case, we'll just do the very last frame of the clip just to keep it simple. So I'm going to use my arrows to make sure I'm on the very last frame of the clip. I'm going to adjust both the scale and the position, so I'm going to click those keyframe buttons again so I have corresponding keyframes at the end of this clip. And now I can make whatever adjustments I want, and those are the adjustments that will apply and animate as I go through. So I can adjust the scale, we're going to have it zoom in a little bit, and I'm also going to change the positioning a little bit here. We'll zoom in even more just to make this nice and dramatic. And so I've set my two keyframes, my beginning point, my ending point, and now when I play that through, it will adjust both factors at once and zoom in while also changing position.